Hey everyone, recently I led a class on a Google Tools workshop, and this is the first video in a series. I'm putting all the classes of the workshop online. So this first one is getting started with Google Chrome and Google Drive. All Google apps work best inside the Chrome browser, so open up the Chrome browser, download it if you need to. Once it's downloaded and opened, go ahead and sign into your account. Signing into your account will allow you to save bookmarks and save extensions, which are add-on tools. We'll go over that in just a second. So you can go to the app launcher, open up Google Drive. So first, let's actually go to right-click up here, go to extensions. Make sure you have these two extensions installed, Google Docs offline. Let's use many Google tools with limited functionality offline, which is great for spotty internet connections. I also recommend this speed control for following this YouTube tutorial and other videos. It allows you to increase or decrease video speed. Great for following along with video instruction. So if you need to download these, you can go to the web store and install them. Okay, back to Google Drives. This is the first time you're looking at this interface. We'll walk you through it. Up here you have the search. You can search for files by type, owner, etc. You got help resources. Google Tools have great help resources. You can search for specific articles or browse most popular ones. Gear is the settings icon. You can download Google Backup and Sync for Windows, so you can sync files on your computer to your drive. It's the Google App Launcher icon, notifications from Google, and your account manager. So on the left nav, you'll have an option to create new folders, new documents. You can also upload any file type. And Google Drive can hold all your Google files, but you can upload any type of file and keep it in your Google Drive. It can also act as just a cloud storage in that respect. If you download Computer Backup and Sync, this is where your computer backup files will be. A huge part of Google Drive is sharing. So we'll go over that a little bit later, but this is where files that people share with you will be shown. Recent files you've worked on, you can see all the recent Google Tool files I've been instructing, starred folders, the trash. I have a Google Nexus, so I have a backup here. In your storage, you see every user has 15 gigabytes of free storage. This is really fantastic storage for a free account. And if you want even more, you can upgrade it, and the prices are very reasonable. Okay, so first we're going to create a new folder called Google Tools Workshop. Okay, click into here. You'll see the breadcrumbs. You can modify folders by adding stars, changing colors. Left click has some of the same functionality as the new button, so you can upload a file in this respect. You can upload any file. Status will be down here. Okay, it's a 3D printing demonstration I had. So you can click on files. Many of them will be able to, you can preview them right in Drive if it's like a PDF or an image, or of course a Google Doc. Some other files you can't preview, but you can just store in the Drive. You can open with some third-party apps, add a comment, print, download, share. If you also select a file from here, you'll see some of the same functions to view or get a shareable link. So to share with others, you can enter in your friends or family email directly here, give them privilege to edit your document, comment, or just view it. You can also get a shareable link. So anyone who has this link can view your files. So I'm going to open up a guest window and paste in that sharing link that I copied. And you'll see anyone who has the sharing link can view the shared file. Okay, that's all for this one. It's very brief. In the next video, we'll get into docs, and the rest of this series we'll also get into sheets and slides and maps and more. Thank you.